Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's another wig install video, and today's video is sponsored by Elemo here. So I have worked with this company before, so this is not my first time working with them. So I'm very much excited to get this wig on my head. But just a little bit of just to let you guys know what they sent to me in the box. So they sent to me my wig bag, in which I could use this to put my wig in when I'm done using it. They sent a little package that I'll be opening just now. They sent some headband that you could attach to your wig especially if you want to make it glueless. I don't really put headbands in my wigs anymore, because I just feel like it's unnecessary sometimes, unless you don't want to, unless you're not gluing it. Like I said, if you're doing a glueless wig, then that's different, but I don't feel like the headbands are necessary. But if you are one that, you know, you still love your headbands, then you're good to go with Elemo here. And then they sent me their card, which has their social media handles and pretty much how to care for the hair. Let me just see what's inside the package. So inside the package are some cute lashes, but I'm wearing lashes right now. Lash extensions, which I've done myself. A video will be coming out on these, but yeah, they sent me some lashes, and I think this is pretty much just a makeup sponge. I feel like you could use it when you're blending your stocking cap as well. So yeah, this is the wig. I absolutely love the lace. It was the first thing that I noticed, and I was just like, yes, this install better come out cute, because this lace is giving. This is how the inside of the wig is looking, and as you can see, I pretty much have the entire parting space, the 13 by 4, and I feel like I'm going to do a half up, half down, because I have the space to do it. And what I mean by having the space is the fact that it doesn't stop right here. You know, a lot of wigs, when you get them nowadays, even though they say it's 13 by 4, the 4-inch parting space is only in the middle, and they give you like a little bit on the side. But we got everything in this wig. I don't remember the length of this wig. I think it's probably a 20-inch wig, but I'll be putting the links in the description box, so then you guys will know what length it is exactly. It comes with the regular, you know, things that wigs come with: the 4 combs, 3 in the front, 1 in the back, and the adjustable strap in the back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install this wig. Yeah. So for this wig, the back part of it was a little bit small, well, the lace part, so I had to cut the ears. You guys will see me cutting it, so if you see me cutting something, that's what I was cutting. I don't know, for some reason it was just not fitting properly. But if you do end up getting a wig and it's not fitting on your head properly, then you can always cut it, and it will for sure fix the issue. But yeah, I did go ahead and spray it with the Ibn Sitting Lace Spray in the shade Light Warm Brown, and then I'll be using the Bold Hold Active Glue to do this install. But yeah, when you see me cutting it, that's why. So if you guys were confused, it was just because it was a little bit too small and it wasn't stretching properly. So yeah. For my baby hairs, I wanted to try something new, and I also wanted to make sure both sides were the same, but I don't know, I got them similar, but they weren't the same. So don't say anything. That's just what it is. But it still came out cute. I ended up loving it at the end of the video. So yeah, and for my baby hairs, I laid them with Got To Be gel this time. So also I will be putting all the products down in the description box. So for those who have been commenting and saying they want to know like what I'm using, I am going to try to remember all the products that I use and list them down in the description box for you guys. But everything else is pretty much the norm. I just curled the back part of the hair, and I curled the front part, where the part that I left out, curled the ponytail, and that was pretty much it. So there's not much really to explain. It's pretty much all in the video, like what you see. So yeah. Final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Like, guys, do you see the melt? Do you see like the scalp? Do y'all see? Like, I've literally grown my hair this long in like 2 seconds, period. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would like to thank Elemo Hair for sponsoring this video. The links for the hair will be in the description box, so if y'all want to get this unit, definitely check the description box for all the links. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post. Also, do not forget to watch other videos. Like, come on now, you're already here. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.